Hi everyone, this is Heath, and we have our guest today, Amnon Darsa, who's going to be teaching us the rifle threat from the front.
Okay, as we have the rifle threat from the front, the hand makes the hand defense, body is moving out of the line, punch as soon as possible, hit the gun from under to lift the barrel up, knee with the hand that hit up, you go in, hook at the stock area, pull down, hit with the barrel to the guy's face, hit again, move away. Hand defense, pushing the barrel away from you, body defense to the other direction, step off the line, counter-attack, with the hand that counter-attack, you hit the weapon so the barrel goes up, knee under, the hand that hit the weapon comes back to hook around the stock, pull, hit with the barrel to the attacker's head, hit him again, move away.
So that was this week's Technique of the Week. Members of Institute Krav Maga Netherlands go to Krav Coach for more detailed explanations.